Hello everybody, good morning children. So today we are going to learn Hindi. Hindi means Hindi Varmala. What do you mean by Hindi Varmala? Hindi Varmala nothing, it is Hindi alphabets. Okay children? So see, you can find out the letters over here. Okay. What these letters are called? These letters are called Swar. In Hindi we say Swar. Okay. This is the basic letters of Hindi. Shall we read the letters? Okay. First letter. This is okay. This is the first letter. A, E, U, A, O, Aha, Re. Okay children, this is the basic letters of Hindi. How you learn in English ABCD like that twice, you have to learn the basic letters of Hindi. Got it children? So, we can move to the next. Okay. The first letter of Hindi Swar is A. With A, what is this fruit? Can you find out the fruit? What fruit? It is there on the board screen. Yes, it is called pomegranate in English. But in Hindi we call anar. What it is? Anar. A say anar. Okay children? So, let us move to the second. Okay. Second letter, it is A. Second letter is A. A say Aam. A say Aam. What do you call Aam in English? We say mango. We say Aam, mango. But in Hindi we say Aam. Okay children? So, we go to the next. Third letter is E. What it is? E. E say Imli. E say Imli. In English we say tamarind. But in Hindi what we say? Imli. E. E say Eid. E say Eid. Eid it is called, in Ramjan we celebrate that festival, it is called Eid in Hindi. Okay children? E say Eid. U. U say Ullu. Can you find out what is this? Owl. We say owl in English, but in Hindi it is called Ullu. U say Ullu. Oo. Oo say oon. Oo say oon. Oon is nothing else. It is a thread in which we make sweater for to keep our body warm. It is the thread of wool. Okay. Oo say oon. Re. Re say Ritu. What do you mean by Ritu? It is a weather, climate. Okay. Ritu, season. Okay. Re say Ritu. A. A say Ek. Ek is number 1. 1 is called Ek in Hindi. Okay. A say Ek. I say Ainak. Spectacles, most of the children are we wear specs. So, it is in Hindi we say Ainak. A say Ainak. O. O say oat. Oat means lips. Okay children? O say oat. Oat means lips. Aw. Aw say aurat. Aw say aurat. Aurat means woman, nothing else. It is called in English woman. In Hindi we say aurat. Aw say aurat. Ang say angur. Ang say angur. Angur is nothing else. What is it's called in English? You know very well, it is grapes. Okay. Grapes is called in Hindi angur. Aha. Aha is just, you cannot make any word from aha. But you can say aha, just laugh, aha, like that, praptakal, early in the morning, aha, smile it. Okay. So, from Swar letters, we have learned some of the words. A say anar, A say aam, E say imli, E say eid, U say ullu, U say oon, Re say ritu, then A say ek, I say ainak, O say oat, Aw say aurat, Ang say angur and Aha say Praptkal. Okay. So we can move to the next. This is the letters, another basic letters of Hindi alphabets, that is called Vyanjan. Vyanjan is nothing else, it is consonants. Like how in alphabets we divide into two parts. One part we divide into vowels and another part we divide into consonants. So in same way in Hindi we divide into two ways. One swar is in vowels and Vyanjan is consonants. So these letters are called consonants and Hindi we say Vyanjan. Okay. The first line, we are going to read the first line of the Vyanjan. Shall we start, children? Okay. Ka, ka, kha, kha, ga, ga, gha, gha, nya, nya. Second line, we move to the second line. Cha, 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 ja, 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 ya, ya. Then third line. Ta, 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 da, da, dha, dha, na, na. Fourth line. Ta, ta, tha, tha, da, da, dha, dha, na, na. Then fifth line. Pa, pa, fa, fa, ba, ba, bha, bha, ma, ma. Then sixth line. Ya, ya, ra, ra, la, la, va, va. Then the last line. Sh, 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 sa, sa, and aha, ha. Okay. So this is the letters of Vyanjan, children. This is the letters of Vyanjan, which we call in English consonants. Okay, children. So let's see what are the words in Vyanjan letters. Okay. First letter we have seen already in Vyanjan. First letter is Ka. What is the first letter of Vyanjan? Ka. What word is coming from Ka? Kalam. What is there? Kalam. Kalam is what? Pen. Kalam is what? Pen. Kalam. Ka se kalam. The second letter. Kha. The second letter is what? Kha. Kha se khargos. Kha se khargos. Khargos means what? Rabbit. Okay. Khargos is what? Rabbit. Kha se khargos. Ga. Ga. Ga se gamla. Ga se gamla. Gamla is not this flower, children. Gamla is the pot, down part. This is a pot, flower pot we say na, that pot, flower pot is only called gamla. Okay, children. Ga se gamla. Gha. Gha se ghar. Ghar is house. Okay. Gha se ghar. Ghar. Na, there is no word from na word. Okay. From na letter there is no word. Cha. Cha. Cha se chai. Cha se chai. Chai means tea. Okay. You can see the cup, but inside the cup there is a tea. So that tea is called chai in Hindi. Okay. Cha se chai. छ छ छ से छाता, छ से छाता, छाता means umbrella, छाता means umbrella. ज ज ज से जहाज, ज से जहाज, जहाज means ship. Okay, जहाज means ship. झ झ से झंडा, झ से झंडा, झंडा means flag, our national flag. Okay, झ से झंडा. Yeah, there is no word from yeah. Okay, children. ट ट ट से टमाटर, ट से टमाटर, टमाटर is what in English? Tomato. Okay, in Hindi we say टमाटर, ट से टमाटर. ठ ठ से ठग, ठ से ठग, robber who cheats. Okay, they snatch money from our hands and run away. That's called ठग, ठ से ठग. ड ड से डाकिया, ड से डाकिया, डाकिया is what? Postman. Okay, children, डाकिया is a postman. We say डाकिया, ड से डाकिया. ढ ढ से ढक्कन, ढक्कन means lid. Whatever vessel we cover it, that cover is called lid in English, and in Hindi we say ढक्कन, ढ से ढक्कन. From now on, there is no word from now, so it is a letter only. Okay. त त से तरबूज, त से तरबूज, तरबूज you know very well, it's called watermelon, isn't it? त से तरबूज. थ थ से थाली, थ से थाली, थाली means plate in which we eat food, plate. थ से थाली. द द से दवात, द से दवात. As you see in English, it is written already on the bottle, ink. So that ink is called in Hindi दवात, द से दवात. ध ध से धनुष, ध से धनुष, धनुष is what? Bow and arrow, isn't it? ध से धनुष. न न से नल, न से नल. What is this, children? You know, it is called tap. So in Hindi we say nal, न से नल. प प से पतंग, प से पतंग. Can you tell children what is this one? Huh? Yeah, you are right. It is a kite. It is a kite. We call kite in Hindi patang. Okay, pa se patang. Fa se fal, fa se fal. You know all these things. Fruits. Yes, fruits is called fal in Hindi. Fa se fal. ब से बकरी, ब से बकरी, ब से बकरी, बकरी is called in English goat. भ भ से भालू, भ से भालू, भालू is what? Bear. Okay. म म से मछली, म से मछली. Okay, मछली is called what? Fish. म से मछली. य से यात्रा, य से यात्रा means what? Traveling. We are moving from one place to another. Yatra. We travel from one place to another means travel is called in Hindi yatra. य से यात्रा. र र से रस्सी, र से रस्सी. Rassi is what? What it is? Rope. Thick rope it is. Okay. र से रस्सी. ल ल से ladki. La se ladki. Ladki means girl. Okay, ladki means girl and girl means in Hindi ladki. Va. Va se one. Va se one. One means jungle, forest. Okay children, we say jungle also, we say forest also, and Hindi we say one. Va se one. Sh. Sh se salgam. Sh se salgam. Salgam we say turnip. We say in English turnip. That turnip we say in Hindi salgam. Sh. Sh se shatkod. Sh se shatkod. Shatkod means what? We say hexagon shape. We have learned already in shapes hexagon. So in Hindi we say shatkod. Sa. Sa se seb. Seb we say in Hindi, but in English what we say? Apple. We say in English apple, and that apple is called in Hindi seb. Sa se seb. Ha se hath. Ha se hath. Hath means this hand. Okay, not this one. Full hand. Hath. Ha se hath. Shra. Kshra. Ikshra. Ikshra se kshatriya. Kshatriya means what? Soldiers. Okay. Kshra se kshatriya. Kshatriya means soldiers. Tra. Tra. Tra se trisul. Tra se trishul. Trishul is the weapon of Lord Shiva. Okay, this trishul you must have seen in the hand of Lord Shiva. So that's called in Hindi trishul. Gya. Gya se gyan. Gya se gyan, knowledge. Whatever we learn and all that keep in the brain, that is knowledge. Okay. Gya se gyan. Shra. Shra, there is no word over here, children. So it is kept like that only. Okay children, till here we have learned letters and the basic of the Hindi Varmala alphabets, which we call in English the letters, and with that letter what are the words you can make, we have learned that also. Then in next session we can learn more. Okay children, thank you for this session. Thank you children.